What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bull Canyon Outdoors, and I just got an awesome mail call from Condition1 Cases, so let's take a look. All right, you'll have to bear with me. I got a little bit of wind outside in front of the BCO garage, but this is it. This is the new Condition1 2106 long, deep case. So let's take a look at it. So it's got their patented, easy to use latches, super simple, rubberized handles, both at the top and the side. Let's pop it around. Get it open here. All right, so here we go. So what this has layers of foam in it that you can cut up and you can customize, or you can use it as is, either way. Now what really sets this apart is the depth. Over here, hopefully you can see it, this is the 1229. Now this is a 44 inch, so you can see it's not as long as the 55 inch 2106. They do make this size in a 55 inch. This is a 44 inch, and inside depth on this guy is about 5 inches, whereas it's over 7 inches on the 2106. So this sucker is ideal for on top of the Jeep. We're gonna load it up with gear, we're gonna strap it onto the Rhino rack. We can still stack my other 55 or the 44 on top of it. They're fully stackable, they are lockable, they're TSA compliant, they have awesome rubberized off-road wheels. Hopefully I'm in frame. Roll really easy. The hinges on them have steel pins back here, so they're super rugged and reliable. They're an absolutely well-built beast. They're IP67 dust and waterproof. You can dunk this thing in up to 3 feet of water and it's not going to get any water in it. It does have a self-adjusting pressure valve on it right here. It's got a notched rubber lip all the way around, so it's always going to have a great seal. So we're going to pack this full of gear, we're going to put it up on top of the Jeep, we're going to strap it down, and it's not going to get wet, dusty, dirty, and it's going to keep everything safe and sound. Let's say we have a worst case scenario and the sucker just flies off the top on the freeway and bounces down the road. No problem, this can handle it. It is tough as nails. So that's it. That is the brand new number 2106 deep hard case from Condition1 Cases. Definitely check it out. You can put large rifles in if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to put a ton of gear and it's going to go up on top of the Jeep. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Sorry about the noise, we just had a fighter jet fly over, but I'm also going to put some links to Condition1 below, so you'll be able to pick up cases of your own. They're absolutely awesome. They're covered by a lifetime warranty. They are tough as nails. They have the best latching system in the world, and they are never going to let you down. So this is Chris from the BCO garage for Condition1 Cases. Happy trails, everybody.